Bring an end to airborne contaminants in your car with the new cabin filter from Filterheads.com.
The cabin filter is located on the passenger side of the vehicle, under the glove box. Remove the two Phillips head screws securing the footwell sealing. Remove the footwell sealing panel. To remove the filter housing door, unclip the plastic securing frame by pushing the right one towards the front of the vehicle and the left towards the back of the vehicle. Remove the old filters from the housing and clean out any debris inside. Install your new AQ1193C filters into the housings. Install the filters with the recessed bump on the bottom and the airflow arrow pointing left. The more curved filter goes in the right housing slot and the square one goes in the left. Reinstall the filter housing doors by sliding the securing plastic locks back onto the tabs. Recommended replacement every 15,000 miles or 1 year. Refer to your vehicle owner's manual for specifications. Reinstall the footwell panel. Reinstall the screws. Visit our website to order your filter to ensure that it fits.